working on my wig. The closet is fixed! It's fixed, you guys. And it's your girl. She be going away. She be going away. Not for anything fun, but I'm going with Marlon back to Jamaica for the funeral. So yeah, we're leaving on Sunday, and yeah, surprise! Yay, more Jamaica vlogs. My memory card. So anyways, yeah, that's what I will be doing. So yeah, and my wig in the background. I'm attempting to make one. I've never made a wig, but I mean, like, I can weave and do all of that stuff. So I'm gonna try that out. It can't be that hard. It's like easy as 1, 2, 3. Like, how bad could it really look? And I'm using curly hair, so regardless, no matter what, it should be fine. You know, I was like, I'm not gonna with the straight hair yet. You know, let me see if I can make one first, and then you know. So yeah, that's what that's there for. And yeah, so I'm just in the process of cleaning my house. I don't want to ramble too much, but I'm just in the process of cleaning my house, doing that, packing and stuff like that. Kim, my mother-in-law, my brother-in-law, the little one, Zari, the twins, my aunt, T Maxine, Marlon's aunt, and her husband are leaving today. His uncle left last week, and another one of his aunts left the week before that. And then we leave Sunday, and then his other brother is coming down, I think a few days after that. So we're all gonna be out. It's so crazy that we're all gonna be in Jamaica, like on vacation in a sense, like at the same time. Because like as much as we've been here and we've had summers and stuff, like we've never actually done anything. So this should be kind of cool. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna deal with that. And I'll holler at you guys later. Bye. I'm so excited. Oh, I should also mention that this particular trip is gonna be so dope because my dad and sister, nobody knows actually. Well, not a lot of people know that I'm coming. So I plan on surprising them because when I land, I have a really early flight. I'm leaving here at like 6 in the morning. So I should be in Jamaica by like 10 o'clock. Wait, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, but 9 o'clock Jamaica time. So, my dad will be at church. So by the time I get to his house, he'll still be at church. So I have time to like, you know, lay. And Marlon's best friend is picking us up. So when he gets home, my brother knows though. But when he gets home, I'll be at home and I'll be like, Daddy, I'm here again. Because when I told him that Marlon's grandfather passed away, and I was like, we don't know when we're coming down. He was like, we? Because my dad's just like, you know, like, park your butt. You just came. Sit your ass down. Because it was like, it's like so weird. It's like the same thing happened last year. Like, I went down, came back up, and I had to go right back again. So, but I have to support, you know? That's my other side of the family. Like, hello. Hey. So, yeah. See you guys. I'm so excited. It's gonna be the best surprise. And my sister doesn't know either. Only my brother knows. So she thinks that Marlon's gonna meet her with the stuff. Yeah, she thinks Marlon's gonna meet her with the stuff on Sunday. So she's trying to rush back because where Marlon's going, she's actually leaving from Sunday morning to come back home because it's Easter weekend. And yeah, so this should be really exciting. I'm so super excited. Hi guys, how are you doing today? I am doing somewhat great. I'm panicking because it's down to the final days. It's Thursday. We only have Friday and Saturday. Don't mind this. My zipper, my buttons popped off my pants. So just one is holding it up right now. And I had this on because I learned this little trick where, like, if your zipper keeps flying down, you put a little keychain around it to pull it up and you would put it onto the button and then button your pants and then it will work. But yeah, that's too much information. Got my love handle showing and shit. Anyways, enough of this. So yeah, I went to this store called Honesteds today and I did a little shopping just to get some last minute stuff. So I figured that while I was gonna pack this, I would share with you guys, do a little mini haul of what I bought today.
So I got this handbag, simple little black handbag for my stepmom. So cute. I bought that. I got some soaps from the dollar store. Everybody knows, say, in Jamaica, this is the national soap, Irish Spring. If you don't carry down Irish Spring, you don't carry down nothing. And then I got these for my sister. These little utensils, so you know she's now on her own and stuff. And when I was on my own, I didn't really have nobody to help me buy me stuff and stuff. So I know, I understand, you know. Marlon and I got towels. I got a new blanket for the plane. A new blanket for the plane. I got my daddy some boxers. Where's the other one? Yeah, I got him some boxers. And this movie was only $1.99. My brother always wants movies, so I bought that. And that's a good movie. And then I had gotten my dad the CD. And we fell in love with it, but his is scratched, so I got another one because they had it. I got some panties. Some grannies. You know, for those days. Yeah, because I'm going to be on it. And then I got some socks for my brother. And I got these cute little tank tops. I think they're cute, just to like throw on. You know? When you do your laundry and then something there, you got your run gosh shop and you just need something cute to fling on. This is cute. So I got one for me and I got one for my sister. We'll be twinning! Oh, I got another panty. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got these cute little like imitation chucks. They're so cute! I got these for my cousin Tanika's baby. So cute. And I think these were literally like $1.99. $2 friggin' bucks for this. I was gonna get all the colors, but they just didn't look that right too. And then I got this little tote bag thingy for myself. I just needed something that I could just throw everything in, because walking around with 2 phones, maybe a camera, chargers, my water bottle, all that good stuff. I just needed something to like throw on and go. And that didn't have too much like complication, because this is the bag I brought down last time. This is the bag I brought down last time. Fluffy had actually got me this bag for my birthday last year. Was it my birthday or Christmas? I think it was Christmas actually. But anyways, it's a really cute bag. I actually bought it off AliExpress. Yeah. But every time I needed to go in my bag, like I had to like unbuckle this thing. And it just made it so like hard. And then if there was too much stuff in it, this is how it looked if I held it by the handle. So I always had to have this part on. And now this part is like kind of ripping. Because yeah, I'm crazy. But we'll save that story for another day. And then I also got one of these things for my daddy. Because all the stuff in his house, they don't have this. So you have to hold this and cook. Yeah, he doesn't believe in buying and replacing things. He just believes in making them work. I got him some church socks. Here's the other one. Got him some church socks. And some rags for my sister, Marley, and my dad. Got some candy patties. Ooh, these are like my favorite gumballs in the whole wide world. Oh my gosh, Halloween. Another towel. This one is mine. I want the gray. Also got my dad some cotton swabs. There's more soap. And I'm not buying a lot because like I recently went down and I brought down so much stuff. And they still had stuff from the last time that I went down. So I don't really need to buy too much stuff. My dad loves red rose tea, so normally I stock up on it. But like I said, I recently went down and I think he has enough to last him for the entire year. I got this lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss when I was in Jamaica the last time and I can't find it. And then I also purchased these 2 earrings. Yeah. And that's my mini haul.
So, as you can see, Marlon's stuff is kind of packed up. He's kind of ready to go because I did him. Everything is good. I just have his shoes that I cleaned off the other day to lace up. And then he is like really good to go. Like I don't know why I always make sure that he's great and then I'm like struggling. But I'm good. The most thing that I was stressing about was getting an outfit for the funeral. And I think I'm done with that now. So yeah, and I'm pretty much packed too because everything that was in my suitcase, I'm just bringing all right back. I just washed everything and just threw them right back inside. And yeah, like I didn't waste. Oh my God, these are so short. I didn't waste no time this time with getting ready for this trip. So I think I'll be well prepared. And yeah, but my tooth is hurting me. I really want to take it out, but I can't. And I'm really upset because I can't really eat and this doesn't make any sense. Like, how am I going to chow down on my pork? But at least it's not sensitive to like cold or hot because then I'd be like, oh my God, how am I going to eat my tutti frutti? Like what? You know? But anyways, I'm going to go chat off no ears. I'm going to take a nap and I will link up back with you guys later. Hey guys. It's Friday, March 25th, I think. Yes, Friday, March 25th. Good Friday. I'm here making some fish. Although then should I make for a long time? It's okay. I make my fish. I make my little escovitch sauce and thing and thing. I think I need some more vinegar. And ting. Sorry. And then I got my fish in there. Ooh, it smells so divine. It smells so divine. So yeah, how are you guys doing? How are you guys spending your Easter? I won't be here for much longer. I only got 2 more days. Oh, so excited. Can you guys see this? Yeah, she's here. She came to bother me. She only knows me when she wants to get her hair done. Other than that, you know, I don't see her, hear from her, nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? What happened? What happened? Were you saying something? No. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's what's up right now. And I'm gonna fry my breadfruit with my fish. Come in, I want need no dumpling. Go make no fried dumpling right now. So that we are do right. So now, yeah, I need some more vinegar in this. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. And pepper. Yeah, so that's what's up. What are you guys doing for your Easter? Nothing? Why? Tell me why. Oh yeah? No way. Wow. Yeah. No light? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, guys. Okay. It's still Good Friday. I just did Shamika's hair. And we're gonna go hookahing. I'm so excited because I've never done hookahing shishaing before. So I'm really excited. So me, LaShawn, Shamika, and Bailey, and maybe my uncle are gonna go. She's probably in the elevator. Shishaing. And yeah, so not our uncle.
Yeah, forget that.
Yeah, he probably like, oh, what is? I just shut off with ear. You understand?
But I like talking to him.
Yeah. So today, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Oops.
Zoe did my hair.
But you are gonna take that off in the hookah lounge, right?
Probably.
Scarf?
Probably
Yeah,
not.
so we can get the full picture of the hair.
Oh yeah.
Or you can just show them now.
They could. But we're gonna wait until the
Okay. So yeah, I'm really excited, as I said before,
to go to Jamaica or Hookah?
to hookah and to go to Jamaica. 1 more full day left in Canada. I am so excited. Like literally, you guys, the next time you guys will see me, because I don't think I'm gonna have the time to vlog tomorrow, because it's just gonna be like a crazy day from start to finish, and I'm probably not gonna sleep at all starting tonight because I effed up my wig, so I had to redo it. I'm redoing it right now. Plus I have to take out my braids, wash my hair, get my nails done, buy some last minute stuff, go to my mom's house. I want to do laundry. Oh my god. And nobody's here to help me and I have to pack still. I always have time and I just like never make take advantage of time. Like, oh my god, I always be like, I'll do it tomorrow, and then tomorrow comes and then I never do it, and then like, oh god. But luckily my hair won't be too hard to come out. But I burnt my finger today while frying, not while frying the fish, when I was washing the pot, because I washed it right away, and I touched something that like, oh my god, my finger is like frigged up, like, so it's gonna be kind of difficult now. But I'm so excited to do my claws because these things just look terrible right now. Like, they don't even look like the coffin shape. It doesn't look like any shape. Like, it just looks like some nasty ass nails. But yeah, I'm doing that tomorrow. And then yeah, and he still doesn't know that I'm coming. I'm so excited to see his expression. No, I'm so excited to see his expression. He has no idea that I'm coming. Only my brother knows that I'm coming. Not even my sister knows that I'm coming.
How does your brother know?
Because I told him, because I was like, I had to ask him about church. Like, is there going to be something special happening? Like, how long I was going to have to wait, because Marlon isn't staying in Montego and I'm not going to Mandeville with him. I'm not going up till like later in the week. So yeah, so I had to make sure that they were going to be home, because if not, then where the hell was I going to stay? True. Right? So yeah, I just told him that I'm coming, not to tell daddy, to fix up the place a little bit, because if it's messed up and I come, my dad will cuss me like, oh, you didn't know, so she did not come and you never clean up the place or whatever. So yeah, and I just had to make sure nothing special was going on at church. So the plan is gonna be so good. I can't wait to see him. I can't wait to see my daddy. Everybody, I'm so excited. This girl's so jealous. Yeah. Oh my god, you're so funny.
Yeah, well, I'm here. I'm doing that.
What?
I said while I'm
But you're
here.
gonna be like recording a video and stuff. She's doing exciting stuff.
Yeah, it is exciting.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna be in no video. So that's what's up right now. I'll see you guys when we get to the hookah lounge.
Peace. That guy helped make billboards, bro. You guys drink?
It is open. He called us. He called us.
What do you mean? What, did you reserve something like that?
No?
More fish left?
At my house? Oh. Shaylin's here. Shawnee's here. And Shiv is here in a skirt, girl. Yes. That's code. So Shamika had on sweatpants, right? So LaShawn was like, I think I have a skirt in my car. And I'm here thinking like, okay, we can't come in. This girl literally had clothes and bags of shoes in her car.
Because you never know. You never know. And look what happened. See? I'm smart. I'm thinking.
So Shamika's wearing a dress as a skirt. And it worked. She got in. We got in. We're shishaing. And we're gonna, yes. And we're at Fume Lounge. And the one that we're doing is Tyson.
Called Tyson. It's at
Down in the gear.
Wait, where is it? It's called Tyson. Watermelon grape and mint. Oh, FaceTime me that if it's cool. Hey. That's the only line I know from the song. Was it on me? Yeah. Was it on? Okay. You guys, I got some gar par fries. They're garlic, Parmesan fries.
For that little baby something.
This is kind of a lot, actually.
Can I have it?
Yeah, if I went to Moxie's, I wouldn't get this much. And it would probably be like $13. No. No.
Please, man.
No. Where you go? I have to try it first. Get the fuck. Don't worry about it. Go. Where you going?
To get my stuff. To get my quesadilla. How do I get them? Turn it sideways.
Okay.
It's gonna be ruined now.
No, you good.
Okay, you guys.
This is Zamzam's first hookah. Hold on, let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Hold it. Like.
Yeah, but you gotta smoke really hard. Keep it going. Keep it going. Toe. Take it to the head. 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 Take it to the head.
No, you didn't get enough.
Oh, why not? Because it doesn't make me laugh. I can't even taste it.
Oh, why not? Talk, man. Talk, pull. With your throat. With your lungs. No! Don't stop. You're not smoking it.
Can you stop? Stop with your extraness.
Okay, fine.
That came out my nose.
No, but for real. Talk hard. I'll stop.
Look at me go weird. I can't
Give me
take
peace.
it.
Give me peace. Hard. Nice. Hey.
Yeah.
How'd it taste? Taste nice?
Too soft.
The mint is a
Smoke it,
really
keep
good.
smoking.
The mint is a really good.
Keep up.
Want me to continue?
So that's the only thing. That's the only thing in the original one.
No, it's not more.
Isn't it supposed to be more?
No, different mouth.
There you
But it's
go.
supposed to be more of these ones, like these two.
Yeah. Dope. Take it to the head. Take it to the head. Take it to the head.
Let me eat my gar part.
Okay, here. Want me to pause it now?
Turn. You better watch it around. You know I know what you the nicest. Better wake up and I like nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me everywhere.
Okay. Yeah, Bailey finally joined us. Why? Like, why? Gang.
Of course, I gang. I was kicked out. Gang.
What? Oh my god, God. Grew up saying that.
Hamza? This is so stupid.
Hamza!
That was not funny.
Yo, do you remember, what was his name? Philip? Was it Philip?
Oh, you're talking about Trevor.
No, Anthony? Was it Anthony? Pimple face Anthony? Oh my god, yo! No, he lived right at the end of the street. Right at the end of the street. Bailey, he lived. You do. That was my boyfriend too. Yo, she used to go to Anthony's house every day. Did he have like a paper route, or you had a paper route?
He had paper out.
You had a paper route.
She went back and back.
You see this guy now?
He's so ugly, or no, dog.
What's wrong with you? Are you serious?
She's the biggest crush on
No,
But he wasn't cute back then.
go back to all her guys and be like, what were you thinking?
She likes
Look at shame.
Yeah.